If your teeth doesn't hurt, does that mean everything is fine? Not really. Patients think that no pain is equal to no problem. No, it's not like that. If you have done root canal treatment, do you know that it can silently fail without pain? Yes. Here I have an X-ray. Why an X-ray matters? It could give you what a dentist cannot see with the naked eyes. Yes. Here this patient has done root canal treatment few years back. He doesn't have pain. But on a regular checkup, he wanted to have few of his teeth replaced and he wanted to have better appearance with crowns in the anterior. So regularly for diagnosis, we have made an X-ray. We have found that few of his root canal treatments, which was done few years back, is failing. There is some lesion, there is pus collection underneath. He doesn't have pain, he doesn't have any symptom. So if left untreated, the teeth will go for extraction. It cannot be saved any further. What are the other conditions that would lead to such silent failures? An implant. Do you think once placed it could be left untreated or unnoticed through life? No, it does require our attention. You have to visit a dentist to make sure there is no bone loss surrounding the implant. Your gums. It doesn't mean that gums are healthy if it doesn't hurt. If there is some redness or swelling or some changes in the gums, you have to immediately attend to it. And if you have done a filling, it has to be attended or it has to be reviewed every 6 to 8 months to make sure that it has not cracked, because dentistry, the teeth as such, functions by biomechanics. The biomechanics keep changing over years, and if there is going to be any abnormal force, there might be crack developing, which when left untreated will lead to loss of tooth. And the other thing that is of importance is if you have a crown, make sure there is no leaking in the crown. So what is leaking? The marginal seal, the crown when it fits to the tooth is not 100% fit. Over years there will be a gap which will lead to leakage, marginal leakage, which might lead to further teeth disease. So it has to be reviewed at least in a year once with your dentist to make sure all the restorations and your teeth function properly.